In this video, I'll show you how to set up a batch payment in Wise. First, sign in to your Wise account and open the Home or Payments section. Select Batch Payments and click Create Batch Payment to begin. Next, upload a CSV file containing your payment details or add recipients manually if you only have a few payments to send. Make sure each recipient's name, bank account information, payment amount, and currency are entered correctly before continuing. After that, review the imported payment list carefully. Wise will highlight any missing or incorrect information that needs to be fixed. Once everything looks correct, review the total amount to be sent, the transfer fees, and the estimated delivery times for each payment. Now, choose how you want to fund the batch payment, such as using your Wise balance or a linked bank account. Review the payment summary one final time, complete any required verification steps, and authorize the transaction to start processing the payments. Finally, monitor the progress of your batch payment from the Activity or Payments section. You can track the status of each individual transfer, confirm when payments have been completed, and review the transaction history whenever you need it. And that's it. You've successfully learned how to set up a batch payment in Wise. If you found this tutorial helpful, make sure to subscribe to Learn Mode Lab for more tutorials.